How to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available for you. So if you are facing this problem on your Facebook account, simply follow this step. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for this Facebook, and you will see update icon. Simply click on this update button and update your Facebook here. But if you won't show update button right here, don't worry about it. Simply go back and you have to tap a while on the Facebook icon, and here you will see app info. Just click on it, and now it will redirect you to this page, which is basically a setting page. Simply you have to click on the storage and the cache, and here you will see clear cache option. Click on it and open your Facebook. Your problem will be solved, and if it's not, simply uninstall your Facebook application and reinstall your Facebook application again to find the option of the marketplace. But still, if it's not available for your account, maybe this feature is not available in your country, try it with the VPN. So these are the simple ways to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.